There may be times when you want to combine multiple files into one PDF. For example, sending an email with multiple attachments does not allow you to control the order in which they appear to the recipient. There are several ways to combine multiple files into one. The first step is to launch the Combine Files tool. When you first open Acrobat, you can use the Tools pane at the top of the window to select Combine Files. Depending on your window size, you might need to click the See All Tools hyperlink to access Combine Files and other tools. If you are already working in a document, click Combine Files from the Tools pane. Combine Files is also available when using the +Create button. Note that this choice is always available in the Menu tab. Next, add the files you want to combine. Either add Open Files, Add Files, or use an Open Explorer window to drag and drop files onto the Combine Files page. You can also right-click on a file name or an entire Windows Explorer folder and choose Combine Files in Acrobat. When a folder is selected, all of the files within the folder are added to the Combine Files page. There are two views for working with combined files: Thumbnail and List. In List view, files are displayed vertically in the order in which they will be combined. To delete a file from the set when in List view, select the file and click on the trash can icon from the Combine Files toolbar. To switch to Thumbnail view, click on the Switch to Thumbnail icon. To delete the file in Thumbnail view, hover over the file, then click on the trash can icon. Or click on the file, then click on the trash can icon from the Combine Files toolbar. Hover over a file that contains multiple pages and the Expand icon appears. Click on this icon to view all pages of the file. From the expanded view, you can work with specific pages. If needed, you can delete specific pages from the files before you combine them. Hover over the page, then click on the trash can icon to delete the selected page. Note that page 4 has been deleted. Click on the collapse icon to redisplay only the first page of the file. To see a larger version of the first page of a document, click on the magnifying glass icon to activate Preview mode. While in Preview mode, you can use the navigation arrows to view the previous or next document. The title area shows the name of the document being previewed. Click on the X to close the preview. The magnification buttons in the bottom right corner allow you to increase or decrease the size of the thumbnails. The same tools are available regardless of the current zoom. Click Expand to expand the view to all pages of the selected file. Collapse the file when you are done previewing and working with the pages. The combined PDF file will be created by ordering the files from left to right and top to bottom. Click on a thumbnail and drag it to a new location. To view document information such as file size and number of pages, hover over the file's thumbnail. To combine the files in the order in which they appear, click on Combine. If you prefer to work in List view, click on the Switch to List View icon. Instead of seeing thumbnails of all files, a list is presented. As shown in Thumbnail view, hover over a file name for information about that file. Right-click on the name for a menu of options. Click on Remove to delete the file from the list. The same options for adding files are available in both List and Thumbnail views. You can add files or folders from an Explorer window, or you can use the Add Files tool on the Combine Files toolbar. Choose whether you want to add files or add folders. or select another source such as a web page or email. Select the file or files from a local drive or your document management system. To reorder the selected file or files when in List View, use the Move Up and Move Down buttons. To reorder several files at once, use Control-Click to select non-contiguous files. Or use Shift-Click to select Arrange. Clicking the Move Up or Move Down button shifts the entire group. You can also sort the list using any of the column headings. In List View, you can see the bookmark that each file will acquire within the new combined file. If you want to change the bookmark name, click in the field and type the new name. Press Enter to confirm the change, or click away from the new bookmark name. Or use the right-click to edit the bookmark name. To access the Combine options from both Thumbnail and List Views, click on the Options icon. You can indicate whether you want to make the output file smaller or larger. Hover over one of the icons to read about that option. If it is the option you want, click on the icon. Make any other changes you want and click on OK. When you are finished arranging the files, click on Combine. Whether you launch the process from Thumbnail or List View, the overall status for combined files is displayed at the bottom of the window. A check mark appears next to each file that has been successfully processed. The status of each file is also displayed in the List View tab. When all files have been processed, the combined file, called a binder, is opened in Acrobat. Open the Bookmarks panel and you can see the bookmarks that were automatically created for each file. Rename the binder if desired and distribute it as needed.